summit used to be called a customer summit, and that is kind of how I would describe it, but it's almost like an educational customer summit. So lots of breakout sessions where you can learn not just about like what we're doing at Polaris, but also learn some technical capabilities, which is probably one of my favorite things. So you can come in, and if you don't know anything about coolant testing, you're probably going to walk out with some of that knowledge.
I find a lot of value in the summit. Every time I come here, I get a chance to network with people, talk to people from different industries that have unique experiences with oil analysis, and invariably I always walk away with new knowledge that I can apply elsewhere.
This year we brought 3 new members with us. Brought 2 engine analysts to learn from the vibration, the oil analysis, things that will help them in their daily investigation on the units, and just put another piece in their toolbox that will help them better understand why a machine is failing, or to help them realize if it is failing and try to keep it from possibly having a catastrophic failure.
For me in particular, there's just such a large educational aspect. You can bring a lot back to your company essentially. Whenever it comes to oil sampling, anything that you bring back, you're talking about making things more efficient. You can learn about Horizon or QR codes. We had someone yesterday that I talked through QR codes with them. They're going to bring back the idea of QR codes to make the oil sampling process faster. So it's not just a networking and mingling event. There's just such a big aspect of learning and knowledge sharing that it becomes worth your time out of office.
My advice for anyone who is involved in fluid analysis to definitely, it's worth it to check out the Polaris Reliability Summit some year. There's a lot of stuff, a lot of value added, and it's well worth the time and the effort to get down here.